Ladies, do you know why you see a lot of women getting princess treatment and you don't? Hi, I'm Marie France, and in my channel, I help you to live your dream life and become your best version. Ladies, you have to understand that a man is only going to do to you what you do to yourself. So be your own example. Until number one, treat yourself the way you want to be treated. Spend time with yourself, ladies. Get yourself those flowers that you wanted to get and dedicate the letter to you. If you want to even go any further, order it. Order it online and get it sent to you when he's around. Let him wonder about the flower and ask question. You know what's going to happen tomorrow? He's going to get you the flowers. On to number two, act like you're going to get it. When you go out, let him come all the way to you. You just have to keep sitting down, and that's you demanding. And ladies, if he just walks away and forgets you, just keep sitting down. If he's a real man, he will walk back and open the door for you. And you have already given him the impression, and he has to start acting in his masculine. This does not only apply to the car, but when you go out to eat, let him walk in front so he gets the chair for you. And if he doesn't get the chair for you, the waitress will. And this actually should, if he's a real man, he will know what he's doing wrong. He will understand that. Moving on to number three, when you want something, let's say a Chanel bag, don't go to him asking for a Chanel bag. Go to him and ask him for a Birkin. So he knows that the Birkin is expensive. So he's maybe going to say something like, oh, can you wait and all that. And if you don't want to wait, this is what you do. You ask him for a Van Cleef bracelet. It's as simple as that. And if he says that you should give him more time, it's up to you. If you don't want to give him some more time, then this is what you say. If we can get the Van Cleef right now, then I can get this Chanel bag. Like, it's cute and all. It's not bad. Like, it's cute. Like, I can look for an outfit for it. Like, it's cute. Like, I could style it to that. Oh, you know that blazer that I got. It would go so well. Like, I'm gonna get this. Like, this is what you do, ladies. This is what you do. And he's gonna know that. Oh, he already declined the Birkin. And he already declined the Van Cleef. There's just no way. There's just no way that he's going to decline the Chanel bag. So ladies, if he's a real man, he's gonna get you that or more. Like, trust me, it always works. He's gonna get you the Chanel, or he could even get you the Birkin. It's just how you say it and how you act. So please just go there and just be soft, speak with a lady tone, like be soft with him, like be kind. Don't be rude, especially the day before you go asking him all this. Don't be rude to him. It's not elegant to even be rude from the very start. Don't do that. Not just based on asking him and all that. In general, when you leave with him, don't be rude to him. It's so not elegant. It's not cute. It's not elegant. It's not classy. And personally, I don't like that. Moving on to number four, have something going on for you. Men love women who are not lazy. So ladies, you can create your own business or something. Don't show him that you're in this for the money, and don't be desperate. That's not classy and elegant. Even the elegant women that you watch on reality shows and all that, they have lives outside of the reality show. So you should also have something getting money into your account besides the mainstream. I don't know if the mainstream is the person, the spouse and all that, but if it is, you should also have something going on for you. He should know that you have something going on for you too, so you're not depending on him like that. Because the moment you start depending on him, it's the moment that he's gonna feel like he can walk over you and all that, which is just wrong. So ladies, please don't rely on him like that. Have something going on for you. If something was to go wrong, you have something else that can back you up. That's what you should always think. Ladies, before I end the video, I want to say men love challenges. So from the start, tell him that he can't afford you, that you're too expensive for him. Tell him that, and that puts him in a state of he doesn't want anyone to have you, so he's gonna work even harder to get you. And ladies, when he does still get you and meet your standards, don't lower them. Don't ever lower your standards for a man, right? Even when you see him doing what, don't ever lower your standard. Keep them there, because the moment you lower it, is the moment that he's gonna stop working hard, and you is the moment that you're gonna see other women getting what they want, and you're just gonna be sitting here with depression and all that. Don't do that. Keep your standards high. Let him meet it where you've always set it, right? Even when you guys are married, engaged, or dating, let him come to you, right? Let him always meet it. That's what I always say. Never lower your standards for nobody. Okay, that's it, ladies. Thank you for watching. There are more videos like this on my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you ladies next time. Bye.